Welcome. If your Gmail inbox is overflowing with unread emails and you're ready for a fresh start, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to quickly delete unread emails from the Gmail app on your phone, so you can reclaim your digital space and keep things organized. First, unlock your phone and open the Gmail app. You'll find the familiar envelope icon. Tap to launch it. Once the app is open, look toward the top left corner of your screen for the 3 horizontal lines, known as the menu icon. Go ahead and tap it. A list of Gmail labels will slide out. Here, you might see Primary, Social, and Promotions. Scroll until you find the Unread folder. This is where all of your unopened emails are gathered. Tap on Unread to open this folder. Now, browse through your unread emails and locate the one you want to delete. When you find it, press and hold your finger on the email. You'll notice it becomes selected, and a few options appear at the top of your screen. If you want to delete several unread emails at once, keep tapping on others to select multiple messages. With your emails chosen, look for the trash bin icon up at the top. Tap this icon, and just like that, the selected unread emails slide silently into your trash folder. If you change your mind immediately, you'll see an undo option appear for a few seconds along the bottom of the screen. Tap Undo if you want to bring back an email right away. Otherwise, those emails will stay in the trash for 30 days before being permanently deleted. Repeat these steps to quickly clean up any unread emails that are cluttering your inbox. This method is simple, effective, and keeps your digital life running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your tidy Gmail inbox.